Hey there, would you like to see how I turned this $5 investment into $78,797 and how you can too? If so, keep watching. This is my client cloning kit. It's available from my website. It is for the people, the 99% of people who visit my website and don't hire me the same day. This is how I keep in touch with people, and it's just called a lead magnet, right? Now, of course, you can download it, and some people do, but most people request it by US mail. It shows up in a tube like this, and it's impossible to ignore because it's obviously it looks like a pipe bomb. Now, once upon a time, a guy by the name of Greg asked for one of my client cloning kits. It came in the mail. He liked it, and he hired me for a small test project, $797. Nothing to write home about, but hey, I acquired a new client, and I delivered some good information to him. He liked it, and I was happy. He was happy. A few years later, he was at another company, told his CEO about me. The CEO called up and said, "Hey, Greg won't stop talking about you. When can you start?" Well, that was a nice project for $78,000. It started with this $5 kit that cost me $5, by the way, to send out. And then it turned into $797 and then $78,000. The moral here is, does your website have something cool that you can send out by US mail? If not, you're probably missing out on a whole bunch of extra revenue that's slipping through your fingers because you and everybody else are sending out lead magnets by PDF or email only. The screaming opportunity in your business is to find a way to get tangible and send something interesting by US mail to your prospects. Now, if you're in the US and you own a business, there should be a link below this video where you can ask for your own client cloning kit. It'll come by US mail. Take a look inside, let me know what you think. In the meantime, I hope you can run with this idea and use it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more ideas just like this one, and thanks for watching.